Hi everyone, I'm Eng Dong Chia, MVP in Visual Studio and Development Technology. Today I will talk about Introduction to Azure Machine Learning. And the agenda will cover what is Machine Learning Studio, developing and hosting application. First, let us start with what is Machine Learning Studio. Machine Learning Studio is a graphical web-based development environment that is used throughout the machine learning development cycle. Data import, data pre-processing, feature selection, algorithm selection, model testing, model deployment, and model retraining and redeployment. Machine Learning Studio interface you drag dataset, data processing, module, machine learning algorithm, and other functions onto a experiment canvas. You can then connect these elements in the GUI and execute the result. It is possible to build and test machine learning model without writing any program code, although Machine Learning Studio also support R and Python code and SQL query. So you can easily extend the functionality of the built-in module. Machine Learning Studio Interactive Workspace. A machine learning workspace is a container for you machine learning project, experiment, and models. Workspaces are linked to your Microsoft account but can be shared with other users to support group working on the same project. Before you open a workspace in Machine Learning Studio, you must be signed in using Microsoft account that was used to create a workspace, or you must have received an invitation from workspace owner. After you have created a workspace, you can share it with other users who have access to all the experiment data sets, notebook, and on within the workspace. To share a workspace and send invitation to other users, you must be an owner of the space. When sharing, you must select a role for invited user. Let us start out with modules. Machine Learning Studio modules are the fundamental component in the experiment. Module execute a specific machine learning algorithm, function, or other code, and either perform this action on data or as part of working with other modules. Modules can operate independently of each module or be connected with other modules as part of machine learning workflow. In Machine Learning Studio, therefore, modules are used across the complete workflow from the upload consumption of external data through the preparation, analysis, and the application of machine learning algorithm to the generation of results. The library and APIs in machine learning module are derived from sources such as Microsoft Research. The module architecture also supports the secure execution of open source components such as R or Python. Machine learning module provide a range of machine learning functions including data import and export, data normalization, grouping and scaling, statistical analysis, and distributional blocks, data conversion to other formats, feature selection, test analysis, dimension reduction. And last, we will cover about developing, hosting, and application. The data science virtual machine (DSVM) is customized Azure VM image that is built specifically for data science and machine learning tasks. As emphasized early in this topic, the building of machine learning models is strongly iterative process based on sequence of tasks. Locating and loading data, pre-processing data, building and testing models, deploying models for use in application. In addition to Machine Learning Studio, a variety tools might be required to complete this task. The sourcing, downloading, installation, and configuration of these software tools can be challenging and take a lot of time and effort. The DSVM makes this task a lot easier because it provides a ready-to-use image for provisioning on Azure and include many of the commonly used tools already pre-installed and configured. The DSVM is designed to work in machine learning in addition to other analytics tools such as Azure Data Factory. The DSVM is available in Windows Server 2012 and OpenLogic 7.2 CentOS-based Linux version. The installed tools include Anaconda Python, R Server, Jupyter Notebooks, Visual Studio, Excel, SQL Server, Power BI, Python, Microsoft Cognitive Service, and Apache Spark. The DSVM is configured to work with many services. For example, the DSVM read and process data that is stored in Azure SQL Data Warehouse, Azure Data Lake, Azure Storage, and DocumentDB. And let's start with a demo. This demo is teach you how to clone and run a simple experiment. First, we go to experiment and click on samples, and we search for recommend the movie recommendation and click in, and you click on save as. And we write it a movie rating as a C. And select a dataset and select a visualize, and the movie data is identified by movie ID. Click on the rating column the historical graph showing the data distribution. Let us close it and back to one IMDb movie title and right click, select dataset and visualize. Note that the dataset match movie ID number to movie name, and we close it and click on run. And we click on project, then click add to project, then we click on and name it as movie project, then we click OK. Then we back to project and click on edit. We go for dataset and select and select a movie tweet and move to project access. Under the project access, movie tweet has been added under dataset and click OK. Then this is end of my presentation of demo. You can refer to other resources like tutorial point, Microsoft documentation, and thanks for your watching.